Morning guys, it's been a couple of days, so I'm gonna try to do this recap kind of quick so you can go back and maybe watch some of the videos on the channel for some more information in regards how to trade and how you get your entries and stuff. Today I wanted to share and how I identified and why I traded SPWR and also CLVS. SPWR was a pretty small compared with the trade that I actually took on CLVS, looking for what you could call the meat of the move, as some people out there say. This morning I see SPWR gapping up, getting a little bit of steam in the pre-market hours. Here is the 15-minute time frame, and it was picking up some steam right out of the gates. I noticed that it started to spike up. I took a small trade after the first pullback, not the micro pullbacks here in the 1 minute time frames, but I waited honestly for that first red candle to break over the high of this $9.24 here. And the reason why I did that, again, it was because we had a decent reversal. We have a pullback here, but we had a decent reversal. If you look at, we had a decent wick over here, and we actually had a little bounce off of this thing and a break out of the resistance that we had on this candle, $9.24, which was prior high on this 1 minute candle. When that happened, I decided that I wanted to jump in. Again, the trade wasn't such a big deal because we roll over right away on this candle here. We went right back down towards $9.25 for the low of this one, and it was kind of like and this one we just had a high at $9.48, which, if you guys have been following me for a little bit of time, you know that I talk about the half dollar resistance and also the whole dollar. Now 950 being half dollar and 948 being too close, you notice that we had this pullback right away, micro pullback on the same 1 minute candle here, and that kind of got me spooked. So I got a little tiny bit of a trade here compared with what I got on CLVS. Was actually very small, to be honest with you. CLVS, right out of the gates here, I was watching it. I had a secondary window, but I didn't really pay attention to it. Now, because I had on a secondary window, I noticed that this thing, I was live streaming and I didn't see this thing dropping in the way that it did. We had a resistance of $6.11 from last week, and we are forming here a bear flag formation that I was just talking about on the live stream that I just ended now. And again, going back, if you want to watch the live stream, you're going to find it archived on traderscolony.com, not on the YouTube channel. You can go back and watch it. As you can see here, we're forming that bear flag formation, coming right back down to test at $5.20 here, where this moving average is sitting 526 now, 100. I was looking for the test right here at the 520 area, and we had the low of this one, $5.27, and we went to 526, the low here. The first flush, I didn't take the trade here, which I actually missed. Pretty bad thing. And the first flush, as you notice here, when we had that reversal, we had this first flush, bear flag formation here, second flush, bear flag formation here, and then drop right back again. On this thing that I started watching it because it was really interesting. It started to flag. We had this little flag formation going sideways here, and at the breakdown of that flag formation right here for the low of this indecision candle, $5.69 breakdown on this red candle here, we started to get in, and I took a trade inside here, got a nice decent move. Then it started to consolidate here on this little bit of consolidation, another indecision candle here, and another flush down with a gravestone doji here. Second flag, the same kind of print that we have here, one flag, second flag here. This one's over here were bear flag formations. This one's were just different kind of flags, a little bit of a channel here in the 1 minute time frame for a little bit of consolidation. And here I was looking for a trade again off of the 15-minute time frame, dropping here towards the $5.20. Again, you can call me on that one, and even you can quote me on that one. So you can go back and see the live stream, which was exactly what I was telling you guys, that I was looking for that 520 test. So I'm not making up these numbers now. You can go right back and watch them. Around here we started to bounce again, telling you guys very, very close to what I was looking for, $5.26. Around 5:31 I was just holding a little tiny bit because again this thing started to bounce. If you look at this thing here, low 527, high 532, right? So right there started to bounce. I decided that it was a good thing that not to hold the whole thing, because I like getting paid towards the move of the targets that I have. As you can see here, we're having a little bit of consolidation, and it seems like we're gonna have some follow through again. This is based on the 15-minute time frame here. I'm looking for a test of the 100 simple moving average on the 15. Although I'm all out right now, that was the original idea and the original intent. If you look at here, this bear flag formation worked out very, very well on again on the 5-minute time frame. I apologize. This is the reason why I was holding this thing here, because again, you can go back and watch the live stream. You could call me out and you can quote me if you want to. Waited for this bear flag formation on the 5. This is what I was actually talking about to you guys, because it was we were due for this pullback here and this little bit of a retracement. It happened here on the 5, and then we have a follow through all the way down here for the low of $5.26, which is the area that I was thinking that it will be a good idea just to be holding a little tiny bit, not a lot. Looking for the test of 520 that I was looking for on the 15-minute time frame, which we had the 100 simple moving average sitting on the 15. Okay, so again, just wanted to bring you this small video, give you the idea on why I wanted to trade the stocks and why I took those positions, what I looked for, and the intent on those trades. For now, I'll let you guys go. You can go back to the channel and watch more videos if you want to be able to learn more things, especially if you're a new trader. I think this channel is going to help you out a lot. I'll see you guys later. Enjoy the rest of your day and happy trading.